everyone, and welcome back to Contemporary Mama. If you are new, my name is Carolyn. Thank you so much for checking out my channel. I hope you'll consider sticking around and subscribing. It's completely free. You just have to click that red button down below, turn on your notification bell so you never miss an upload. So today is part 2 of my Thanksgiving series. If you missed last week's video, I'll make sure to link it down in the description box for you. But I am really excited because today I have convinced my husband to show you all how he prepares our Thanksgiving turkey out on our gas grill. And if you have never prepared a turkey on the grill, then you are seriously missing out. Not only is the flavor absolutely incredible, but I love how it frees up space in the oven so that I can be preparing side dishes and warming up food without having the whole oven taken up by the turkey. So if you want to see how my husband prepares this turkey outside on the grill, then just keep on watching. And if you are looking for more ideas on how to free up oven space, then last week's video was all about preparing side dishes for Thanksgiving in the slow cooker. So make sure that you go back and check that video out after you finish watching this one. Okay, so before we get into the grilling part, let's first talk about the turkey. You are obviously gonna need one of those, and most of the time when you buy them at the grocery store, they come frozen. So just make sure that you do a little bit of math in your head to make sure you have plenty of time to defrost that turkey. For every 5 pounds that your turkey weighs, it is going to have to sit in the refrigerator for 24 hours. So if you are buying a 20-pound turkey, make sure that you get it at least 4 days in advance. Once your turkey is completely thawed, now we can get started preparing it.
So preparing the absolutely perfect Thanksgiving turkey starts the day before with the brine. And a brine is just a strong solution of water and salt and often some type of sweetener. This is going to be used for flavor and to improve browning. And during the brining, the turkey will absorb extra moisture, which will help it stay more moist and juicy both during and after cooking. And since the turkey is going to absorb the salt along with the water, it's going to get seasoned from the inside out. Brining your turkey is going to make a big difference in both the flavor and the texture of the turkey, so it is definitely worth the extra effort. To make things simple, we always buy a brining kit, and the one we buy is from Bed Bath & Beyond. I'd be happy to link it in the description box. But if you'd prefer to make your own, I will link a recipe as well for you to make your own brine kit. So the instructions for our brine kit have you add the seasoning packet to water, sugar, and apple cider vinegar. We brought that over medium heat until everything dissolved in the water and then let it cool to room temperature. So once you have your turkey in the brine, you want to refrigerate it for at least 8 hours, but up to 18 hours. Just don't leave the turkey in the brine too long because over-brining can make it too salty and the texture spongy. All right, you guys, it is now the next day and it is turkey time. So we are going to start by draining out all of that wonderful brine. It has done its job, but now it's time to just let it go. We want to get the turkey out of the brine, and then we're going to pat it dry with some paper towels before rubbing it all over with oil. time to pop that turkey on the grill, and we love doing that in these foil roasting pans because they're disposable and make for a really easy cleanup. One other thing that we do for added flavor is to place some apple-flavored wood chips in tin foil and add that on the grill as well. This is going to give the turkey a wonderful smoky flavor. Now Dan likes to place the 2 outside burners on medium heat so that the turkey in the middle is cooking over indirect heat and the oven is about 400 degrees. He bastes the turkey at the 1, 1.5, and 2 hour mark. If it looks like your turkey skin is getting a little too browned, you can always cover it with foil while it finishes cooking. Once your turkey is getting nice and golden, you can either siphon out the juices to make your gravy with, or you could poke holes in the bottom of the pan to let them drain out if you don't need them. This is going to allow the bottom of the turkey to get nice and crispy too. When your meat thermometer reads 160 degrees, your turkey is done. You want to take it off the grill and let it rest for 30 to 40 minutes so that all the juices can redistribute, and then you can get to carving it. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial and that you'll give grilling your Thanksgiving turkey a try. I promise you won't regret it, and you are just going to end up with a juicy and flavorful turkey without any of the risks of deep frying, and you'll also have the added benefit of freeing up your oven for all the other dishes that need to be cooked. So again, I want to thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on Tuesday with a brand new video. Bye!